So we'll start today's session with question number 16. Question number 16. Squares ABPQ, ADRS are drawn on the sides AB and AD of a parallelogram ABCD. Prove that angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC and SQ is equal to AC. First I will draw the figure. Question number 16. Question number 16. So, two squares they are given. Two squares. One is PB, AQPB, AQPB. It is a square, it is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram. One more square is given here. This is one more square, that is SR, ASRD. Okay, they are saying that these are parallels. These are also parallels because it is a parallelogram. So all sides of a square are 90 degree. All angles of a square are 90 degree. Isn't it? Okay. Now first we have to prove the angle SAQ. Number one, what we have to prove? To prove angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC. SQ is equal to AC. Second, SQ is equal to AC. So in order to prove the first one, first to construct a line segment joining SQ and also AC Join AC and SQ. Okay, join AC and SQ. Now, first one. Now we have to prove first one. So angle SAQ will take. Angle SAQ is equal to. So it is a complete angle. Angle SAQ, angle QAB, okay, angle BAD and angle SAD. Isn't it? Oh, now angle SAQ is equal to. So in complete angle, in 360, I am subtracting remaining three angles. What are those? Angle BAQ plus angle BAD plus angle SAD. That is 360 minus angle BAQ is 90 degree plus angle BAD as it is plus angle SAD is also 90 degree. That is 360 degree minus 90 plus 90 180 degree plus angle BAD. That is 360 degree minus 180 degree, that is 180 degree minus 180 degree, 360 degree minus 180 degree, that is equal to 180 degree minus, what happens? Minus into plus minus angle BAD. That is equation number 1. Correct? So I subtracted 360 degree minus. Similarly, I will take the angle ABC. Is equal to. So ABC is equal to. So what we have to take? Angle ABC plus angle BAD. So these are all co-interior angles. Angle ABC plus angle BAD. Angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to what we will get? Co-interior angles. because AD is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. So ABC is equal to 180 degree minus angle BAD. Equation number 2. So observe here from 1 and 2. What you observe here? RHS are equal. From equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. RHS are equal. You can equate LHS. This implies angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC. Correct? This is the first part. So now we proved angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC. Note down this part. Afterwards I will continue with the second one. Okay. In order to prove SQ is equal to AC, we have to consider the two and triangles. What are those two triangles? Consider triangles. What are those? SAQ and ACD. ACD. Now already we proved here angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC. Angle SAQ is equal to angle ABC. Proved. Already we have proved. Now take side. AS is equal to we can take AD. We can take AD. Sides of square AS or D. Correct? One is over. Now this one also we can take. So one more side you have to take. AQ is equal to QCR. Okay. We will prove the second one, CBA. Sorry, I will take this triangle because we have to prove this. No? Otherwise, we will not get the corresponding sides. So I will take these two triangles. Which are the two triangles I will take? ABC and okay. Now AS is equal to what I will take? BC. AS is equal to BC. Okay. Now it is correct. AS is equal to BC. Why? Because BC is parallel to AD and BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. And AD is the side of the square AS or D. AD is the side of the square AS or D. So AS is equal to BC over. Now I will take this. AQ is equal to I will take AB. I will take AB. AQ is equal to AB. AQ is equal to AB. Sides of square ABPQ. So therefore we can say two triangles are congruent. Triangle SAQ is congruent to triangle ABC. On what basis? SAS, because side, angle, side. So this implies what we can say, SQ is equal to AC. SQ is equal to AC, CP, CT. So now in this way we can prove the second part. So note on this. We will move on to the next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. So what it says? Question number 17. I will give this as homework. Question number 17. So you try yourselves. ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of VC, and D meets AB produced at L. Prove that AB is equal to BL. AL is equal to 2DC. That you prove it yourself. I will give this as homework. 17th sum as homework. I will go to 18th sum. 18th sum. I will draw the figure first. Now ABD and AC are ABD and AC are equilateral triangles. Correct? Drawn on the side AB and AC of triangle ABC as shown in the figure. Prove that. What you have to prove? To prove 1. Angle DAC is equal to angle EAB. Angle DAC is equal to angle EAB. Second, what you have to prove? DC is equal to B. DC is equal to BE. DC is equal to BE. Now, in order to prove DAC, we have to join AC and EAB. EAB. That means we have to join BE. Correct? We have to join BE. Now we have to prove these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Which are those two angles? These two angles. Angle DAC. This and angle EAB. EAB. This. EAB. Okay, we will prove it. We will prove it. We will prove it. So first I will take the angle DAC. Angle DAC. In the DAC there are two angles. Angle DAB plus angle BAC. Angle BAC. Equation number 1. Second, I will take angle EAB. In EAB, I have two angles. Angle EAC plus angle BAC. What you observe in the RHS? BAC, common angle, equal. Angle DAB is equal to angle EAC because these two angles are the angles of a equilateral triangle. So all the angles in equilateral triangle are equal. That is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what we can say? Angle DAC is equal to angle EAB. So this is the first answer. Second answer, we have to prove DC is equal to BE. Consider the triangles. We have to prove the congruency. Consider the triangles. What are the triangles you have to take? DAC and ABE. ABE. Okay. We will consider these triangles. Now, already we proved the angles are equal. Angle DAC is equal to angle EAB. Proved. These are angles proved. Now, observe here. And AD. AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. Sides of equilateral triangle. What is the triangle? ABD. Next, AD is equal to AB. Okay, AD is equal to AB. Now, AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE. Sides of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Which is the triangle? AEC. AEC. Therefore, two triangles are congruent. They are congruent. On what basis they are congruent? Said definitely it is SA. Yes. So this implies DC is equal to CP CT. CP CT. So note down this.